Tired of seeing that dreaded decline message from Chase? You're not alone, but boosting your approval odds for those lucrative Chase cards and loans is totally possible. And we're going to break down exactly how in the next minute and a half. First, let's talk credit score. Chase generally likes to see a score firmly in the good to excellent range, usually 670 or higher. So before you even apply, pull your credit report from Annual Credit Trip. Euro, it's free. Euro, and check for any errors, dispute anything inaccurate. Also, pay down those credit card balances. You want to aim for a credit utilization ratio. Euro, that's the amount of credit you're using versus your total credit limit. Euro, of below 30%, ideally even lower. Next up is income. Chase wants to know you can actually afford to pay back what you borrow or spend, so gather your pay stubs, W-2 whatever documentation you have to prove your income. Be realistic and accurate on your application. Overstating your income is a big no-no. Now, let's dive into your financial history. Chase values responsible borrowers. Avoid applying for too many credit cards at once, as this can signal to lenders that you're desperate for credit. Also, maintain a long and positive credit history with on-time payments, as this will help build your credit approval with Chase. Finally, consider your existing relationship with Chase. If you already have a checking or savings account with them, you might have a slightly better chance of approval. Showing Chase that you're a dependable customer goes a long way. Follow these tips, and next time you apply, you'll be much closer to saying yes to that Chase approval. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more credit tips.